Okay, now let's solve this simple question here. Now look at this. We continue to follow the indices rule. Alright, when we have a to power m plus n, this can be written as what? A to power m times a to power n. Now this is very important, alright, in anything you are solving, alright. And we apply it to this part here. This is what? 1 minus x, alright. So we are going to be having this is 1 plus x, 1 minus x. So we work it out in these two parts here. So we are going to be having what? We are going to be having 5 to power x times 5 to power 1. Then we have plus what? 5 to power 1 times 5 to power minus x, right? This is minus x here. So that's what? Minus x equal to what? Equal to 26. Alright, now from this part here, now we can see this is 5 to power x. This is what? 5 to power minus x, alright? When we have something like a to power minus 1, alright, this can be written as 1 over a, alright. Is 1 over a to power 1, alright, still 1 over a. So we are going to be working it out with this. So we are going to be having what is 5 to power x times 5, alright, then plus 5. This becomes what? Times 1 over 5 to power x. Since it's carrying a minus to power minus x, so this is 1 over 5 to power x equal to 26, alright. Alright, now from this last part here, we can see this is 5 to power x. We can say let's 5 to power x equal to m, alright. And from this part here, we substitute anywhere we 5 to power x, we substitute with what? With m. So we are going to be having m times 5, alright, then plus what? 5 times 1 over m equal to 26. Can you see that? Now from this part here, we multiply all through by m, alright. So when we multiply all through by m, just to make this what out, so we're going to be having m times 5m, alright, this 5m here, m times 5m plus m times 5 over m, right? 5 times 1 here is 5, so m times 5 over m equal to 26 times m, alright. Now from this part here, m cancel out what? M. So now m times 5 over m is what? That's 5m squared. Then we have what? Plus 5 equal to what? 26m, alright. Now from here, we rearrange. We're going to be having 5m squared, then minus 26m plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is 25 for me. So what are the values there? That's 25 times 1 minus 25 minus 1, alright. Now from here we're going to be having what? M to power ms 5m squared minus 25m, then minus m plus 5 equal to 0. You see that? Now from here, what are the common factors here? That's what? 5m. We bring that out. We're left with what? M, right? M minus 5. M minus 5 there. Then we are going to be having what? Minus 1 out. So we have what? M minus 5 equal to 0. Then from here, so we need one of these. So we are going to be saying we have 5m minus 1 and what? M minus 5 equal to 0. Then from here, we have what? M minus 5m minus 1 equal to 0, or m minus 5 equal to 0. Then from this part here we have what? 5m equal to 1 or m equal to 5. Then we divide both sides by 5 from here, or 5 over 5. 5 cancels out what? 5. So we are left with what? M equal to what? 1 over 5, or what? M is what? M is 5. Now don't forget that we substitute something for m. So we said let's 5 to power x equal to what? M. So we replace that. So anywhere we find them, we change it back to what? 5 to power x. So this part here, this is what? 5 to power x equal to, now this is what? 1 over 5. 1 over 5 can be written as 5 to power minus 1, right? Then, or 5 to power x equal to what? 5. And 5 is what? 5 to power 1, right? Now this cancel out this. X is what? X is minus 1, or then 5 cancel out 5 here. X is what? X is 1, and that is the answer to the question. So these are the two solutions to the question here. X equal to minus 1 or x equal to what? 1. So when you see a question like this, this is how to what? This is how to solve correctly. Oh my God.